What we've seen over about 7 days is a market that has what's referred to as a V bottom. And what you have in that is you have directional volatility. We fell through around 4,200 and we broke down to 1,500, below that even. So we broke to the downside, almost vertical. In a few days, we covered that range. What's interesting is the way we hit the bottom. When we hit the bottom, it was bouncy. Buyers came right back in. Now, when you have a market that moves vertical or close to vertical, so that's like a 70 or 80-degree move. If you have that type of move, you look for it to go out that way. So we came in dramatically to the downside. Vertical moves or near vertical moves are very difficult for a market to sustain it. Doesn't mean it can't move a lot. It's just difficult to sustain it. So that's what we saw here. It broke to the downside, got to those lows, buyers came back in, and they immediately followed through. So what we've done in the last 4 days is huge. It's faster than it was going down. And when you see that kind of movement, you look for the second leg to be longer than the first leg. And that's what we have here. We exceeded when we were breaking to the downside that previous high, and that was around 4,200. So we exceeded that coming back up. That fits the criteria for that type of technical move. Now, is it going to be sustainable? 5,200 or 5,500 or less than that? Yes, that's reasonable. We could do that in the next couple days. If you think about where we've come from in just the last 4 days, we were down at 1,400 and we're trading 4,700 now. So that was a pretty sizable move in just a few days. So does it have the potential to move to that 5,600? Yes. We want to remember it's going almost vertical, difficult to sustain, but we could have a lot of volatility. So the thing I would be looking at is how do we move higher? Do we go home over the weekend with the nice strong close? Or do we go into the weekend with this market backing off?